In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the invisible fruit here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, interact with any of the teleporters on the map, and you need to make your way over to Sailor Island. This is where the fruit dealer actually is. So make your way to Sailor Island and then walk inside the main building, kind of towards where the main bosses spawn. Once you're here, take a left and you're going to want to walk in towards this area just like so. We're going to see a bunch of different NPCs. Either go to the gem fruit dealer or you can also go to the coin fruit dealer. And I'll say these are random fruits, but the invisible fruit is not really rare. So just interact with that and boom, you can get yourself the invisible fruit. Now to actually use it, you just got to interact with it. Do yes, and then of course as soon as you go ahead and use the Z attack, you will turn invisible. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.